Today I explain you the lock functions of the vehicle. When you go into the vehicle settings and then you go into the locks, you have following settings. Auto unlock, this means if you get close to the car it unlocks by itself. Mislock, chirp, this is when a door is not properly closed or something, it will make some sound. Then here, that's an important one, walk away lock. If you press that little arrow here, you get an enabled and a disabled. This is where the car automatically locks when you walk away. And here the audible feedback, that's what you want to turn off if the car honk is annoying you when you walk away. So then you have some other functions. The switch inhibit, this is so you can't unlock the car from the inside of the car. Audible feedback will give you a sound when you press the button twice to lock the car. And here you get the exterior light feedback. The exterior light feedback means the car light will go on when you press the 4-ball unlock on the 4-pass app. Then you have here remote unlock all doors. You can press again the little arrow and you can choose if you open all doors or just the driver door with the remote unlock. Then one more thing I wanted to explain to you. Here you have the mirror settings. Here's the auto fold mirror settings. This has to be on when you want the pony light on. Don't forget, if this is not on, you don't have any pony light.